Their loved ones died in a setting that was supposed to keep them safe, and for years they've been calling for justice. At Chelmsford Crown Court today, they took an important step towards that goal.
Let the truth be told.
Their demonstrations outside, followed by a sentencing inside, that saw an NHS trust fined £1.5 million for its failures to manage ligature points involved in patients' deaths.
I'm left here bereaved, I'm left here angry, and I'm left here with no justice for my son. If they'd listened to what happened to my son, there's people that have died after him that would still be alive.
Melanie Leahy's son Matthew was 20 when he was found dead in his room at the Linden Centre in 2012, an adult mental health centre run by the North Essex Partnership Trust. He died from hanging in a room where that shouldn't have been possible. Lisa Morris's son Ben also died at the Linden Centre in 2008, another found dead after being placed in its care.
Every time you think of a nice memory of Ben, it's tarnished with all this. It's tarnished with all the unanswered questions. It's tarnished with not knowing the full truth. It's like a torture.
The trust in question is now the Essex Partnership University Trust, but in its previous guise, 11 of its patients died by hanging between October 2004 and March 2015, a result, the judge said, of its woefully inadequate risk management. The court heard how each death was investigated and each time recommendations made to reduce ligature risks, but these recommendations were routinely ignored. Some fixtures like door hinges and wardrobe handles remained in place for up to 9 years after it was recommended they be removed, and in some cases the same ligature point played a role in multiple deaths. In a statement, Essex Partnership University Trust apologised for the failings and said it was fully committed to ensuring that every lesson is learned. For those still grieving, though, this isn't where it ends. They're now demanding a statutory public inquiry.
The whole purpose of this journey is because I want to know the truth as to how and why my son died, and I still don't know it. I need staff interviewed under oath, so onwards I go. And the clear message to the government is I'm not alone, and we're not going away.
More than 70 families share those demands, and they say they won't rest until they are met, however painful the journey is. Ivor Bennett, Sky News, Chelmsford.